Hello everybody. Last day of this 2D geometry unit. That was super fast. When we don't have to review, quiz, test, do all that stuff, it goes by super quick. So today we're going to do some practice with 2D geometry. I don't think I can fit my formulas in here, so hopefully you have a sheet where you wrote down all the formulas like I asked you to. So I'm going to try my best to fit them in here. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W. No. Yes. Yep. So parallelogram, same thing. 2L plus 2W. Triangle, side plus side plus side. Trapezoid, add up all four sides. Circle, pi times diameter. Area of a rectangle, base times height, or you could say length times width. Parallelogram, base times height. Triangle, 1/2, base times height. Trapezoid, 1/2 height. Base 1 plus base 2. And circle, pi times radius squared. Now, I know it seems like a daunting task to memorize those, but you gotta remember, guys, I am way older than you. And you use these so often that I still have them memorized. And like I said, way older than you. Plus a bunch of other formulas that you end up using all the time. You will just eventually memorize them. So, perimeter and area of a rectangle. So, perimeter, pick out the right formula. Area, pick out the right formula. Okay, go ahead and solve those. I get 40 inches for perimeter. And then for area, I get 84 inches squared. All right, next we have a triangle. So perimeter, okay, and then area. Remember, height's measured straight up and down. Okay, next we have a parallelogram. And then we have area. Oh, is the height 5? No, it's not. The height is 4. If you caught that, good for you. Okay, and the label is squared. All right, so that's rectangle, triangle, parallelogram. Last one we did was a trapezoid. So perimeter. I can't find the perimeter because I'm missing a measurement. Okay, let's make it, I don't know, 4. So 8 plus 12 plus 4 plus 4, 28. 1/2 height, base 1 plus base 2. 1/2 the height, which is 2, base 1 plus base 2. Okay, and the only other one we haven't done so far is the circle. So the perimeter of the circle is called circumference. So circumference equals pi times diameter. So if my radius is 7, my diameter is 14. So pi times 14. I put that in my calculator. 14 times pi. My calculator is different, and where is my pi button on this calculator? I will just use your calculator. 14 times pi. I get 43.98229715. Doesn't ask me to round, so I'm done. Okay. Let's ask me to find an area of a circle somewhere. Yeah, area of a circle down here. Pi times radius squared. They actually gave me a radius. So pi times 7 squared, which is 49 pi. So in my calculator, 49 times pi is 153.93804. Doesn't ask me to round, so I leave it as is. Okay, compound shapes. Let's do the one we didn't do, which would be the one with the semicircle. So I have a rectangle, so it's area. So area of the rectangle, length times width, or base times height. So that's 24 times 18. So 24 times 18 is 432 millimeters. 432 seems like a lot, but the measurement's millimeters, so it's teeny tiny. Then I have this half of a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared, but I only want half of it. So I'm going to divide that by 2. They gave me a diameter. So the diameter is 18, which means the radius is half of that, or 9. So area equals pi times 9 squared divided by 2. Area equals 81 pi divided by 2. So in my calculator, 81 times pi gives me 254.46900049 divided by 2, which gives me 127.2345025 plus my 432. And I got a grand total of 559.2345025 millimeters squared. And that's everything we did this unit. So that's it. Again, we're not asking for perfection here, guys. We're just asking you to try, show some learning. I want to expose you to this because you will need area next year. Your teacher, which could be me, will do a brief overview of area with you, but you will need some basics to draw from. So hopefully you got some basics. All right, that's the unit. Next, we're on to 3-dimensional figures. Have a good one.